सब सबको नमस्कार। जैन साहब और
नमस्कार।
भास्कर जी ने ये रोड मॉनिटरिंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया। I would like to share our experiences on this monitoring of not only the roads and monitoring of all construction activities. They are one and the similar. The same type of, even we can monitor not only the road, even the construction activities, bridge construction, flyover construction, building construction, even we can make the similar application for taking the information. Now we have developed one standard application in Karnataka for obtaining information regarding roads and all development works are concerned here. Especially for development, road works are concerned, we always rope in with the local residential welfare associations. Normally, there are thousands of residential welfare associations or some retired employees will be there, some social activists will be there. We involve them and we encourage them to make application regarding that particular road where that work is going. We try to request them to make application, but we draft it and give it to it. One is thing for this roads, monitoring of roads is concerned here. We have to collect the entire information related to that particular road is concerned here. We cannot collect the information in piecemeal and it will not serve any purpose here. So the very basic document is even sometimes during the tender notification itself, we collect some of the information. But once the tender process is complete and work order is issued, the first document, important document, what we require is work order. It gives us the information of the nomenclature of the work, yes, total estimate of the work, the name of the contract. These basic documents we will get it from the work order. Along with the work order, some important documents will be there. That is technical sanction report. It's one of the very important document. It is required to be collected under RTI for monitoring the work. It gives us the whole technical details of the work here. If it is a road, what is the length and breadth of the road? What should be the thickness of the bitumen or thickness of the concrete should be there here? What is any that side drains are to be developed? Footpath is required to be developed. All these technical details will be there here. It is an essential document to prepare the social audit report of the execution of that particular work. And here, the bills will be sanctioned in installments. That is, running bills will be there here. So we collect the running bills and all the final bills of the work here. The next is, here in Karnataka, they have made it mandatory that photograph of the place, it should be photographed before execution of the work, during execution of the work, and even after completion of the work. So we ask for the copies of the photographs taken during execution of the work and after completion of the work. Everything here. And during execution of the work, normally at various stages, quality control department conduct the quality control of the materials used in the particular work is concerned here. We collect the quality control certificate of the department here. And another important document is agreement entered into with the contractor. There will be agreement will be there. There are so many lot of clauses will be there. That one important is that is defect liability period will be there in the contract agreement. It will be there here. Even the tenure will be there. If the work is not completed within the agreed period, then there will be a penalty clause will be there. So agreement entered into the contractor is one of the important documents we collected in the RTI Act. Then during the construction of the work of the road or building, that work will be inspected by the department officials. Normally, assistant executive engineer and executive engineers are the persons who are executing the work. Some major works are being inspected by the superintending engineer and chief engineer during the construction of the road. So we have to collect even they will give the reports and they will notify the irregularities in execution of the work. So we also collect these inspection reports. And another document, important document is measurement book. Before passing the bill, before submitting the bill, they will document the measurements taken during the course of the execution work, that MB book. And another thing is, in some of the major projects, a detailed project report will be published. It will be made even before commencement of the work. So that is one of the documents we have to collect. Invariably, we have to collect for the purpose of conducting a social audit report here. Name and designation of all officers responsible for execution of the work. This is one of the criteria why we are collecting is, if there is any irregularities here, we can make specific complaint against the concerned officers who are responsible for, who are accountable for execution of the work here. A road history register will be maintained. Normally, it is made mandatory in Karnataka here. For each road, there will be a road history and a register will be there. Once you take the extract of the road history register, you will come to know what are all the earlier work done to that road is concerned. Suppose you will come to know when it was asphalted, when any major work has been executed on that particular road during the last 5 or 10 years. So this is road history sheet is one of the reason here. And in some of the cases, the third-party inspections is made. So we collect the third-party inspection report, and invariably we collect the file here. So once we collect all these information under Right to Information Act here, so we need not have to make any additional applications for either for inspection of the work or for collecting the samples which are used in the execution of the work here. Once we get all the documents relating to that particular event, we go through the entire. Some of the, normally we have some senior engineers or the retired engineers of the from PWD and corporation engineers or that we take their help and try to make an audit report of that particular work and see that if there are any irregularities or major irregularities or that, it will be brought to the notice of the higher authorities like the superintending engineers, chief engineers, and in most of the departments they have got the vigilance officers or they're here. We say that a proper complaint is lodged here. But once you start making application and collecting information, these officers and contractors will be aware of all these things in here. Normally, by obtaining the information, we can see that there will be a considerable increase in the quality of the work. And normally, this is how basically we can monitor any work, execution of any work, either construction of the road, construction of the building, construction of flyovers, under bridges and all here. All developmental works can be monitored, effectively monitored through this by collecting the information and making a social audit of this here. Why we are trying to involve the local, that is residential welfare association is, they'll be living nearby because that work will be executed in their area only here. They could be able to monitor it during the entire period of execution of the work here. We have to actually, we should make them also responsible. We should also inform that it is your road. You have to take the interest here. So we should instill some interest in them in monitoring the work here. So by involving these residential welfare associations using RTI by getting the information and all here, by and large, we can see that the quality of the work is improved and we can ensure that work is completed within the time limit and all here. So RTI has become a very powerful tool in monitoring all the executions of the work by the public authorities here. So this is of my experience here. Likewise, we have monitored most of the roads here. Even there is one more provision is that core cutting machine will be there. Jain Saab ne bata rahe the core cutting machine ka bhi istemal kiya hai to improve the quality of the roads and all here. So by proper use of RTI here, by taking the relevant documents, we have to take the documents, entire documents here for making a social audit, and definitely we can see that there will be a considerable increase in the quality of the roads are concerned here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity of sharing my experiences. Dhanyavad.
जी धन्यवाद वीरेश बेल्लूर सर, आपने बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण बिंदुओं पर आपने प्रकाश डाला है और अब अपन आ जाते हैं अगले चरण में, और अब कार्यक्रम में आप लोगों के जो भी प्रश्न इससे संबंधित हैं, जो आप जैन साहब से ही पूछना चाह रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने हैंड रेज किए हुए थे।
जी शिवानंद जी, मैं राज तिवारी, मैं कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ
हाँ,
सर से।
हाँ जी 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 राज तिवारी।
सभी को नमस्कार। सर मैं